Alright, today we got a GR86 in the shop. We're going to be installing some PLM Unequal Length Headers. Right now I got the bottom skid plate off. Going to go ahead and drop this exhaust manifold and we'll go from there. Alright, so as you can see, I got the stock exhaust manifold out and the overpipe. Of course, the overpipe decided to fight me a little bit and kind of broke the stud a little bit right there. Super fun. Love these stock exhaust bolts. Now we go ahead and open up the PLM one, see what it looks like. Ooh. Get this bubble wrap out of there. Shiny. So I will say this thing. I was talking, sir.
My bad. I tried.
So I will say that these headers do look pretty nice. Nice stainless steel. The only thing I generally recommend to my customers anytime they buy headers from us, which I don't believe this one came from us, right, Brian? No. Definitely get them ceramic coated, because when you have stainless steel headers like this, they let off a lot of heat, and that heat sits right underneath your engine, and you have all these different areas that get resealed on this engine here, right? And over time, that heat starts to cause it to have premature leaks. God damn it, T, I'm trying to do a video. Alright, got the header installed. The fitment's not too bad. It was a little hard to get the flange on up in here. It was kind of twisted a little wonky, but I got it straightened out, tightened down. Just got to plug in the AF and O2 sensors. Got the overpipe in. It was not the perfect match right here, but once I tightened it down, it kind of sucked it in. So, seems like it's all good. Alright, let's go ahead and see what this thing sounds like.